and create a QR code, go to Vocaroo.com. You may have to allow the flash player and camera and microphone access. Hit record and say allow, and then you are now recording, and when you're done, click stop, and then click here to save, and go to, hit to scroll down a bit, go to QR code. Then you'll be making a screenshot of that QR code. Partial screenshot, you use Control, Shift, and then the switcher key that looks like this. So you hold down the Control and Shift and press that key, and that allows you to select just part of the image. Go from one corner down to the other. That makes a screenshot. Now you can copy that into your clipboard and then move over to your document and paste it into your document using Control V command.